On today's episode of Cooking with Tovia, we're going to be making Pappardelle Bolognese. All the ingredients required for today's recipe will be found in the description field of this video, as well as in the pop-up ticker of this video. So begin in your pot by adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm heating my pot here on medium-high heat. So to that I have 1 onion, 1 celery, 1 stalk of celery, and 1 medium-sized carrot that I peeled, cleaned, and just chopped it up. Just use my little mandolin to slice them and I just chop them up. So we're just going to cook the onions, carrots, and celery for about 5 minutes on medium-high heat. The veggies have cooked for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1 pound of ground beef. So I'm going to take the heat to about medium-high heat. I'm just going to cook the ground beef, breaking it up. But before I completely cook it, I'm just going to hit it just with a little bit of salt. So I got all the fat drained from my ground beef. So we're going to add a few more things to this for now. And we're going to let this cook a bit, and then we're going to add some more ingredients. So I'm going to add 1 cup of water. This next part is totally up to you. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of balsamic vinegar, or you can use 1/3 cup of red cooking wine. We're going to add 24 ounces of tomato sauce, or you can use crushed tomatoes. I'm also going to pour in 14 ounces of diced tomatoes. I have 2 tablespoons of onion powder and a tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of celery seed, that's optional, but I like to add it to bring out the flavor of the celery. And 2 teaspoons of oregano leaves. And I'm also going to add a couple of teaspoons of salt and pepper. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of salt. Bring this to a boil. So it's coming to a boil. I'm going to give this a stir. We're in final stir. I'm going to cover the lid, reduce it to about medium-low, and we're going to let this simmer for about an hour. But I'm going to stir this every 15 minutes just to make sure this doesn't stick. But it's important that we let it cook this on because we want to reduce it and get the meat nice and tender. So here is our bolognese, and it's nice and thick, and that's what we're after. So I'm going to go ahead and cook our pappardelle. And this is what pappardelle is. It's nice white pasta. If you can't find it, you can use fettuccini in place. So I'm going to go ahead and cook this according to the package directions, and we'll be back. So here's everything together. I just put some parm on top. Please hit the thumbs up and share this video. Add it to your playlist. And let's go ahead and give it a stir. Give it a taste. Wow. This is absolutely amazing, especially the sauce. The beef is nice and tender. You can taste all those flavors from the onions and celery. You can get the sweetness from the carrots that are in there. It's absolutely amazing. It's worth making this dish. Please add this video to your playlist, share it, hit the thumbs up. please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. Please remember to live and be well.